Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. Now we are going to see public champion for hackathon challenge. Those who want to work in a very top MNC with coding knowledge, they can apply here. The deadline will be July 1 and 11:59 p.m. they are mentioning. So free registration 2 days only left. We just want to create account in T2C completely. I'm going to explain within a few days what is DTT and how to apply for that, what all the DCs mandatory, everything I'm going to explain. So just wait guys, this is the public champion cat and this all the eligible criteria engineering student, undergraduate, postgraduate, plus demo quiz round is the round online quiz. First round if you finish only you may go to second round. You can click here and watch the guidelines, what all the eligible criteria, how should you write the exam. They have mentioned 38 questions with one hour they are mentioning and you will start the exam at 8 p.m. on July 2nd and you just want to finish it by 7:30 p.m. itself. And the question example 4 mark for timer 120 seconds. So 1.5 minutes for one question they are mentioning here. If you scored 78% of the mark, 1.5 plus minus marks, so many things are there. So what the guideline? One round will be elimination round. Each round will be elimination round. Don't forget it. Coding challenge, jump start will be there. If you don't know what is in the jump start, after shortlisted you may attend some math random platform like coding challenge. So many things are there. After filling all that, you need to jumpstart and start the career at the public side. And the eligible criteria be BTech second year, third year from 2023-2024. They can write this exam. All specialization domain they are eligible. MCQ and challenge. They clearly explain about what is there. Just want to see there itself, or you can see here also, no problem. And this is all the winning prize: first run up, second run up, participation certificate. If you are selected in the first round itself, you are won the first prize. You are selected for the company about 10 LPA. And this is the next startup company or top MNCs they are going to grow now. And next one will be DXC Technology started their registration for 2022. I will provide this two link in the description. And we just want to give next and we just want to give a description. What is the role? How many areas they are conducting this role? The role they mentioned business analyst, IoT, location, all pan India they mentioned. Share the registered email ID. Are going to willing to work on 24 into 7 English with 0% one knowledge. Batch and BS ITCS only student. This 3 LBA plus 280 fixed night allowance. And night shift full time permanent job they mentioned here. First name, last name, gender, date of birth, nationality Indian, personal mail ID, phone number, alternate phone number. Education type, after fill it, you just want to give add another education. 10th and UG and PG, you just want to finish one thing, you just want to give add. If you have another job, you just mention the job, active block logs, attachment of your resume, photo, by click submitting, and just want to submit your confirmation. This is the eligibility part of for BSc student, and this is for BTech student. So play now itself, it will be helpful for you. I'm going to explain this D2C platform completely today, so don't worry guys, and you can apply daily and wrote the exam, it will be helpful for you. So apply now itself with the registration create with your email ID. If you have any doubt while filling and exam trouble, comment me in the comment section, I will help you. Thanks for watching this channel.